Okay then, so which one of these motors I want to get out of here? Let me think. I think that one over there is 350. I think this one right here is at 283 that I got from Kevin. There. I think this is the 283. The 65 283 that came out of that Corvette that a buddy of mine across on the other side of the lake had. Yeah, that's the one I want to get out right there, and that shouldn't be too hard to do. I move that garbage can and that thing right there, and this thing right here, and I can probably roll it right out there and roll the whole kit and caboodle. Let's try it. All right, y'all feel industrious and useful and like doing something? Y'all feel like helping me do this? Y'all want to help me do this? Just y'all come on, help me grab something. Let's move the things out of the way. We can do this. Yeah. I need me some more lead in my bucket or something. Come on now. You're giving me a hard time. Thought y'all was gonna help me. Y'all ain't helping me none. These Louise. What I gotta do to get some good help around here. Oh, joy. I'm just joking. I appreciate y'all hanging out with me. I do, every day. Every time you do, I do. Every time. Every single time. Yep, sure do. Yep, sure do. Well, I got some batteries out in the car I need to bring in here too. And put them on the charge and all. Yep. I have to rest a bit. I wonder if anybody's ever invented an engine lift that you can stick on a Reef's trailer hitch that you can attach to the back of the Jeep. You can back into a place like this and pick a motor up with and not have to move it by hand, which is like what I'm doing right now. I wonder. I just wonder. I remember it being that hard to put in there. Maybe I ain't been eating my Cheerios enough or something. Mercy sakes. Ain't ball of fire. Sometimes you just gotta get the wheels started in the right direction, I guess. Come your way. Yeah, it's gonna be good. Oh, joy. That's gonna be good. Sure is. I think I'll put that pressure washer back up under where that motor was. A good place for it. I can't let 63 Impala see me wrestling with that motor like that. He'd be laughing at me. He'd be saying, "You're getting old man." He's just a young whippersnapper, you know. Yeah, he is. He's just young. He's just a young thing. This is hot. I ought to watch some of his videos. I got a little internet now. I can do that. See what he's up to. Last time I looked at him, he was messing with a Hemi head engine, which is kind of fun. Believe. All right. It might be time for me to. No, I ain't done nothing, but it might be time for me to call it a day already, and I ain't even done nothing. But sometimes I'm like that. I just work till I feel like quitting. Right now, I feel like quitting. It must only be about, what, 12, 1 o'clock maybe? Take a look and see. 2 o'clock. Oh, 2 o'clock. That's almost quitting time. Whee! There, she says. Hey, it's a start. Better than nothing. I got videos to make. Y'all know how that is. Video makers work and never done. Get a half a day in a day for the rest of my life. It won't take longer than about half the rest of my life to get that motor running. That make any sense to y'all? If it does, just write it on a piece of paper and send it to Cutworm and have him call me and explain it to me, because I don't know what I just said, but it sounded almost philosophical to me. But then I was only halfway listening anyway, so there's all that. See you later. See you later. See you later. Whee! 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 Whee!